Impak's wrapping system is needed to wrap and protect frames and other objects with transparent PVC film. Let's see quickly how it works, and then we'll explain in detail how the machine is made. The system is made of the following elements. The base is made of 2 rollers on which the roll is unrolled, the separating metallic cylinder, the welding bar, the hot air generator, and the mat made of insulating material. We'll now explain the function of each element. The base is made of 2 rollers of 85 centimeters, on which the roll is supported and eventually unrolled. The metallic cylinder is needed to separate the 2 parts of the PVC film whilst the roll is being unrolled. The film, in fact, is made of 2 folded flaps on one end. This box contains the electrical transformer, which has to be attached to a socket. The welding bar is 1 meter long. Under the bar is a metal wire covered with a special protective tape, which is dielectric insulating, or rather which has no electrical conductibility. As the metal wire heats up, it generates a welding of the film. The hot air generator is similar to a normal hairdryer, but it's much more powerful. It's independent of the machine and has to be put directly into a socket. 35 cm by 95 cm mat, which is made of insulating material, is needed as a supporting base when the welding bar is pressed against the PVC film. It's made of a material which doesn't melt at high temperatures and doesn't stick to the PVC film. Let's see now how the system works in detail. First of all, you have to switch on the machine. After you've switched it on, the metal wire of the welding bar will heat up in 10 seconds. The machine is then ready to be used. Unroll the PVC film to bring it above the insulating mat, making it go across the separating cylinder. Place the welding bar above the film and click the button to switch it on. A warning light indicates that the bar is working. Raise the part of the film which comes out of the welding bar so as to detach it. At this point, the end of the film is sealed and you can proceed to the next step. Raise an edge and introduce the object which you want to wrap by pushing it to the bottom. Place the welding bar beyond the object, in this case it's a frame, and press lightly whilst pressing the button. At this point, the film has been welded. Lift the frame so that it also detaches the film which wraps it. Repeat the operation on the other side of the frame. At this point, you use the hot air generator. After having switched it on with the on button, move it across the back of the frame, starting from the outer sides to gradually arrive towards the center of the frame. Then turn the frame over and repeat the process. Let's try again with another object, with a print complete with mount board. We try again with a box of larger dimensions. It's possible to also wrap objects which are quite thick, like the bottle of detergent which you are seeing. It's also possible to use the leftovers of the film which were left over from previous operations. In this case, we're using a leftover to wrap a box of small dimensions. The rolls of the heat shrinking film are available in various heights, as you can see from this diagram. The length of the roll is of 600 meters. The thickness of the film is of 20 micron. The insulating mat is of 35 by 95 centimeters. A mat of 95 by 95 centimeters is also available as an optional. Among the replacement parts, the electrical resistance reserve with the electrical insulating tape is available. You will find the Impak wrapping system in the catalogue of Rinaldin and on the website www.rinaldin.com.